Sabah everybody, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to unbox and do an initial impressions of this little guy. This is literally a tiny little laptop from Microsoft that was just announced. This is the Microsoft Surface Laptop Go 2. A little bit of a long title, but promising us actually a very nice experience in a small form factor, lightweight, and still upholding the Surface experience from Microsoft. This is TK, let's check it out. Like and subscribe, and make sure you hit that bell icon so you're always notified to whenever we have new videos on the channel. This is the Surface Laptop Go 2. I just got this actually from a small event that Microsoft had here with my buddy Juan Carlos bagnell and Tshaka Armstrong that we actually got a chance to go through, and they gave us a little bit of a presentation as I'm showing you guys right there. Overall, what we're looking here is a new experience or a new form factor for the Surface Laptop Go 2. And what I mean is we're looking at a 12.4-inch Pixel Sense display. So this is a touch-sensitive display at about 1080p resolution, an aspect ratio of 3:2, so you can definitely see the form factor is a little bit different. Up to 10 touch point configuration, either a 4 or an 8 gigabytes of RAM, LPDDR4X, a quad-core processor, 11 Gen i5 core processor, and that's going to be available in both options. We have obviously the TPM 2.0, so we have Windows Hello. Windows 11 is preloaded. We do have the option, obviously, of Microsoft 365. And of course, preloaded with Xbox apps and Xbox Game Pass Ultimate for a month free trial. An ambient light sensor. The laptop itself does have a 39 watt power supply that's included in the box with a 40 watt hour battery that's going to give us the ability of using it up to 13 hours with mixed usage. The actual unit itself is very light at about 2.48 pounds, very light and very easy. And the SSD is removable, either a 128 or a 256 gig internal storage. And as I mentioned to you guys, up to about 13 hours or so of typical usage. The graphics is the Intel Iris Xe graphics, not the HD. We have one USB-C, one USB-A, a 3.5mm headphone jack, and of course, the Surface Connect port, which is the proprietary charger that comes in here. We have Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.1, and of course an aluminum option. There's a couple of options as far as colors. We have Sage, Ice Blue, Sandstone, and Platinum. 1 year limited warranty, and of course activation key with Windows 11 built into the system. The overall experience that I got over there is that this is going to be a connected based experience. This may not be the biggest laptop, but you're able to connect it to, let's say, a TV, use the small extended the keyboard that they have, or even use a Microsoft controller and launch the Microsoft Game Pass Ultimate on this and play Microsoft games on your system. And that's the benefit of using cloud-based experiences. The i5 processor gives us the ability of running our normal applications, Microsoft and so on, with ease. The battery life is obviously very long since it's technically a smaller form factor with a decent 40-hour, watt-hour battery. So what I'm getting out of this initially right now is that this is pretty much somebody that's upgrading from, let's say, a Chromebook or Chrome OS laptop and want to get into the Windows experience. Now, they are targeting this at about $599, so you could definitely see where they're getting into it. And of course, the keyboard is very nice, touch sensitivity. The touchpad is very responsive. And one of the other things that I really enjoyed about this is that the speakers are actually based under the keyboard. So they're facing upwards, but there's no grill for them on the side. And that's one of the nice configurations that they have in there. There was a suite of software that they showcased for us, from editing videos, of course, content, connectivity to basically the cloud, different sources, which gives you the ability of getting everything done on a small form factor laptop that lasts you even longer. Now, I haven't had that much time to spend with the brand new laptop, but from my initial impressions from the event that I had or that I went with Microsoft and Juan Carlos and Tshaka, it looks very nice. I am very impressed. The accessories for this are absolutely amazing, and the overall experience looks to be very promising. I am going to be going on a trip in the near future, so I'm really excited to try this out on a plane. Because it's a smaller form factor, this should be able to work almost anywhere I want to. So let me know in the comments below, what do you guys think of the brand new Microsoft Surface Laptop Go 2? Is this something that you guys would be interested in, or is this something that is a little bit too small and you'd prefer to go maybe more to a standard Surface Pro or something a little bit bigger from Microsoft? Like and subscribe as usual. Thank you very much for the support. I'll see you in the next video.